Say, for example, you want to create a rotation in a shape. All you have to do is either select your shape, and this is all grouped together, and you can hover over the outside and rotate it. And if you hold down Shift, you'll rotate in degrees of 45. What if you want to rotate it from along the bottom point or along the top point? What you can do is go to the Rotate tool, and you click on it. And what'll pop up is a little cyan colored little point. And you need to first select where you want to rotate it around, which is what this point is. So I'm going to first click, and I moved to the bottom, and now my cursor is changed to a black arrow. And then when I click and drag, it's going to allow me to rotate around that pivot point. If I hold down Shift, again, it'll go in degrees of 45. If I let go, I then get the option to change that rotation point. So I'm going to click on this top one, and now when I rotate, it's going to rotate around that top point. What's nice is if I click at the point I want it to go, so I'm going to click down here, and if I hold down both Shift and Alt, or Option, I can then duplicate this shape. And if I do Control or Command D, I can then repeat it a bunch of times. And so this is really nice for being able to create a, rotational image if you'd like. The other option that you can use is, in addition to the rotation tool, underneath is the reflect tool. And if I click on this, it works in a really similar manner. You get the point over which it's going to rotate or reflect. And so if I'm going to go to the bottom point, and then I click and drag, and right now you see that it's showing me the same thing as the rotation, but if I hold down Alt, you'll see that that original one is staying there. So I get a free range of rotation. If I hold down Shift, it'll go in degrees of 45, and then I get my beautiful tree left over. You can also double click on the tool itself and choose vertical rotation, horizontal rotation. You can choose the angle that you'd like, as well as copy it. You can also, if you select a tool, select a shape, right click, and then go to transform and rotate or reflect, and those tools will again pop up. You just have a couple of different options when you're using the direct tool from the menu over here.